Unlock global connections instantly by learning how to add international contacts to your WhatsApp. It's easier than you think. First, open your phone's native Contacts app. This is where we'll begin by creating a new contact. Tap on the option to add a new contact. You'll see fields for their name and, most importantly, their phone number. This is where the magic happens. To add someone from another country, you need to start with their country code. You can easily find these country codes online by searching for WhatsApp country codes. For example, if your friend is in the United States, you'll start with +1. After the country code, all you need is their full local phone number, without any leading zeros or special characters. So, if their number is, say, 5,551,234,567 in the US, in WhatsApp you'll enter it as 15551234567. The space after the country code is optional but helps with readability. Once you've entered the correctly formatted international number, tap the Save button. Now, open your WhatsApp application. You might need to refresh your contacts list to see the new international contact appear. And there you have it. Your new international contact is now ready to chat with on WhatsApp. Imagine all the conversations you can now have across borders.